Handa ka na ba makinig, marinig sa mga bibitawan ko? Nakakaiba sa mga nakalipas na mga...
We will be removing the rear strut for this 1998 Acura EL. So let's get started. So 19 mm socket for the lug nuts. The strut. So there's one bolt here. I think this is 14. And this is 14. So number 14 for the lower bolt. And also you have to remove this bolt. So the first bolt came from here, and then you have to remove this bolt. So you can push this down so you can remove this fork, this strut. So let's do it. See? See? You can move this one. And now you can remove the strut. And there were like 2 bolts over here. Let me get a light. Like 2 bolts over here. Hold on. Over there. I couldn't see it. So you have to like fold this carpet on this side, and then there's the bolt. There were like 2 bolts, one there and one behind the thing. I think that's 14 millimeter socket. So let's do it. Alright. There you go. That's the rear strut. So if you had any questions, again, suggestion, please comment below. Please subscribe too. That's all for today. Bye for now.